We are checking in today to Universal Stella Nova Hotel. It's finally here. We're going to check out Epic Universe just steps away tomorrow, but today we'll give you a room tour, show you the pool, have some fun snacks, and have just a wonderful day. So let's go check in. Universal Stella Nova, like I said, is right across from the street from Epic Universe, and it is the best premium value resort if Epic Universe is your family's focus. There is a sister resort, Stella Luna, but that one is smaller and doesn't have the kid-friendly pool area that we will show you later, like here at Stella Nova. We're gonna go in a spaceship, Gavin. Yeah, it's a spaceship.
That spaceship broke into the glass.
Uh-oh. Okay, go. So official check-in time is not till 4 o'clock, but we were able to check in and request a high floor on the 9th floor so we could see Epic Universe from our window in our standard room. Now, of course, the boys wanted to see the gift shop here, and I would highly recommend visiting it before going to Epic Universe. You're going to want to get your power-up band before going into Super Nintendo World, and this is how you will collect your badges and your coins, and each person could be on the same team or on separate teams. Now, there are second-generation wizard wands for the Ministry of Magic World at Epic Universe 2, but I would hold off on purchasing it until you get into the park because sometimes there are special characters in Cosmo Market, which is the wand shop in Epic Universe. So you can get matching outfits and accessories here, headbands, but I would wait to get your wizarding wand inside of Epic Universe. Now, one thing you will notice when you arrive is how clean and new Universal Stella Nova is, and that is because it was just built last year. It's beautifully space themed here in the lobby with lots of comfortable seating. You will also see the Nova Bar that opens at 5 p.m., and I highly recommend their signature drink, the Black Hole. It's a perfect twist to the classic espresso martini with Patron XO Cafe. Now, signature drinks range from $16 to $18, but they are well worth it because customer service is wonderful and drinks are strong. They do have wine, beer, and seltzers too. So another thing at Universal Stella Nova Resort that is super convenient is the Avis car rental desk. This is where it would be a convenient option if you're going to Disney or another Florida attraction. You can rent a car right here. They also have vacation planning desk if you need to purchase or upgrade tickets. Now, this is the Cosmo Cafe and Market. There is a grab and go side that opens at 6 a.m., which is perfect to grab a Starbucks coffee or a quick breakfast before early entry into Epic Universe. They do have a made to order side that has breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and this is where we chose to eat dinner for our check-in night. They have pizza, burgers, and salmon dishes. All right, enough of the lobby. Let's go check out our new room. Ooh. Oh, we see the pool. Wow. We're way up high.
I see the roller coasters.
The elevator was? Okay, 90-20. Go left. Did they offer to help you?
Nope.
Come on, Colton.
Mommy, I'm going let's go. We gotta go.
Push, push, push. Ooh. We're in space. How's our view, Gavin?
I can't find the car.
There's the Epic Universe. We see Stardust Racers. Very cool.
Mommy, the spaceship.
Yeah, the spaceship's down there. We have a nice view. All right, we are all checked into our Universal Stella Nova Hotel. Now, this is a budget hotel that we booked for $150 with our Florida resident rate. Regular rate is $250 for tonight. But let me show you around. This is a smaller room because it is budget friendly, but we picked the theme park view and you can see the entranceway. It's like spaced theme with that spaceship entrance, and it's absolutely beautiful. But right over here, we can see the theme park, we can see the Chronos and Stardust racers flying around. It's a super cool spot. Now there is blackout curtains here and 2 queen beds. There are extra pillows and blankets in the closet. Pictures that NASA has taken of space, super cool. There's a little lamp here, a alarm clock with USB and a USB-C plugs, and more plugs back here. There's a little drawer here. There's no storage space underneath the beds, but you could put a little suitcase here on the side, and I'll show you where we put our other suitcases. There's a nice couch area with a table if you're ordering pizza to the room, which you can do. So in-room pizza delivery is till midnight, and then you can order pizza to go downstairs in the market. They have a nice little Stella Nova pad here, some storage drawers, a Cuisinart coffee maker, and I believe this is a beverage cooler. Now this is the bathroom. There is a little curtain here if you do want privacy, or you can keep it open. And then here's the bathroom. So not a ton of storage, but there is underneath the counter. You could put some stowaway stuff. And then here's the throne room, some towels, and then a shower tub combo. And they have their special Stella Nova Cosmic Ember shampoo and conditioner and bath soap. So this is kind of like a cologne-y kind of smell. There's just a plain curtain here, hooks on the wall over here and behind the door for towels. And then there is lots of closet space. You have a safe and an iron and an ironing board. So lots of closet space here. This is much bigger than when we stayed Grand Helios. So Grand Helios does not have a lot of closet space, but they do have an extra sitting area that's a little bit more big. Now you could fit a stroller over here in this entranceway, and there is a connecting door for if you want to connect another room. But we have some more luggage over here, and then a full-length mirror. So that will do it for a room tour here at Universal Stella Nova, but we're gonna go grab some lunch by the pool. Daddy's already there. Before I head down, I do wanna show you the laundry. There's laundry on the 9th and the 2nd floor, and then there's a special kind of surprise on the 3rd floor that I'm gonna show you before we go down to the pool. We can see Icon Park, and there's Darkmoor. Really cool view here at the end of the hallway. Ice machines, and a little spot to fill up your water bottle with filtered water. Okay, so here's the laundry. Oh, I need my key. So here is the laundry. It's $4. There's washer and dryers, and there is snacks, soda, and Tide detergent and fabric softeners here. So you can use the app so you can see if the washers or dryers are available. So that's super convenient too. So here on the 3rd floor, it is all lit up like you are in space. It's like going on a ride almost. This is so cool. So if you can request, this is floor 3. There's a beautiful fitness center here, like space themed lights, and then you have a view of the beautiful pool. This is a nice place to work out. So let's go find Daddy and the boys. Now you'll find complimentary vests, pool noodles, beach balls, anything that you would need, and they do have lifeguards here at the pool. I especially loved this pool. It was large and it very shallow. So my youngest is 43 inches. He could touch in almost the whole pool, and there was steps throughout the pool, about 90% surrounding the pool. So lots of area for him to play. So there's this fun little sandy area here at the pool with buckets. They have complimentary floats and life vests. And then there's also a splash pad. But this is gonna be really cool because they have movie time at 8:30 out here on the deck, on the projector. There are lots of pool chairs. This is like nuts. I see some games over there. There's some Connect 4 and some hula hoops. And then over here is the splash pad. So this is perfect for babies. It doesn't look too adventurous. So you have toddlers or real little ones. This is perfect.
It's good music. Go in the water.
Super cool. You can hear the music underneath the water.
I think it's from Texas.
Now there is no chair service here at the pool, but there is the Galaxy Bar right next door, and all of their drinks, their signature drinks, have constellation names. So I got the Phoenix. This was like their spicy watermelon margarita, and this was a perfect drink. Now the pina coladas with alcohol are pre-made in a machine, but you can, like my husband, get a floater to make it a little extra spicy. Now the Galaxy Bar does have a QR code where you can mobile order to the Galaxy Grill, which is right next door. You do walk over to pick up your food. We got the nachos with the birria beef and the guacamole. We thought this was just kind of an okay snack here at the pool, but my husband did really like his burger that he got in the Cosmos Market before for lunch, so I would recommend that. Was that a fun pool day?
On the floor?
No, you're not going to drive it on the floor. Did you like playing in the pool, Colton? So that was a fun pool day. We definitely got some sun. We took some showers and got all comfy. We have our comfy clothes on. I have my new Epic Universe shirt on. And then we're going to go down to the Cosmos Cafe and Market to grab some dinner. So they have these order stations here on the side, and you can pick from the top whatever choices you want. Pizza, they have kids meals, they have healthy entrees. Yes, I know you want cheese pizza. I think I'm gonna get the salmon fried rice. That looks good. Don't drop it. Ooh, chocolate muffin. Okay, you gotta eat a little bit of pizza first though, okay? So I got a kid's pizza, and it came with fries and a drink, and then I got the salmon fried rice. So this is definitely enough for the boys to split. So this salmon looks delicious. This is a humongous portion. Definitely could share this with another person too, but my husband does not like salmon, so let's dig in. All right, so we got a little salmon, little rice, little broccoli. That is pretty good. It's moist inside and crispy outside. Let's just taste the salmon. It's not the most fresh cut of salmon, but it's definitely delicious. So the salmon was good, but it definitely tasted like it was air fried, very crispy. So if you like well done salmon like that, you'll like it. But we're gonna go check out the game room, and then it started to rain. So now the movie Under the Stars is moved into the inside rec room, so we'll show you that too. So this is the rec room that they have. It's like a conference room with the movie. This kid's kind of sad. What should we do? Should we go watch a movie inside the room?
No. This is the movie room.
Yeah, you want to go get comfy?
This.
That movie was kind of sad, so the boys are going up to the room, getting all comfortable, brushing their teeth. It's about 8 o'clock. We got to get to bed soon. But I wanted to get their chocolate martini. It sounded so good. So I'm going to grab that for a little nightcap. So let's skip to future Ashley so you can see how quick it is to get over to Epic Universe in the morning. Good morning. We are walking from Universal Stella Nova, and I wanted to time it for you how long it takes for the walk across the streets. Oh, we see the Kronos and Isla Burke. We are so close.
I just see Isla Book tree.
Yes, the mountain.
What is that?
All right, we made it 17 minutes, and that's walking slow. But here we are at Epic Universe. So the location here at Universal Stella Nova really cannot be beat. It is a perfect budget, clean hotel here. Now, if you want to see our other review of Grand Helios, if you're looking for a luxury hotel for Epic Universe, I'll link that down in the description. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next Epic Universe vlog. And like this video, please, if this did help you. That really helps us support our channel. And thanks for hanging out with our family today. We'll see you all real soon.